Good morning and happy St. Patrick's Day. The Luck of the Irish is here today as we are going to be celebrating a great event today. My name is Jerry Pierce with Mountain Valley Real Estate Experts, and also on behalf of the Morgan Area Chamber of Commerce, we are celebrating an open house and feeling lucky to have Cobblestone Hotels in our community. So Cobblestone Hotel is located on Commercial Street, and we are having a celebration from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. today. So it's going to be a great day to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, and we feel lucky to have them a part of our community. There'll be lots of fun events going on today. I will be emceeing the event, playing some fun music, announcing prizes because we'll have prize drawings for gift baskets, free night stays, that sort of thing. You'll get a tour of the hotel, see how beautiful it is and amazing it is. We are, again, so lucky to have the hotel here in Morgan City. There will be a food truck. El Niño Sammy will be here today. He'll be providing 300 free street tacos for the first 300 people. He will also be providing regular menu items for purchase if you want to consume a little bit more. And then also Mama Lakes is going to be there with 300 sugar cookies frosted with green frosting to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Again, the first 300 people will get a sugar cookie from wonderful, marvelous Mama Lakes Bakery. So we want you to be there. 4 p.m. is when we start till 6 p.m. Come hang out with us, enjoy it, and please view and tour this beautiful hotel that we have in our community, and we are lucky to have them here. So happy St. Patrick's Day. We'll see you at 4 o'clock.